ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। कृष्ण सुधामुपगति धर्म ज्ञानादिभिः सह कलौ नष्टदृशामेष पुराण अर्कधुना उदितः। रीडिंग फ्रॉम श्रीमद् भागवतम 8th canto, chapter 9. The Lord incarnates as Mohini Murti. Text 12. Tato gruhityamritabhajanam hari babhasai satsmita sobhaya gira यदि अभ्युपेतं कोच साधु असाधु वा कृतं मया वो विभजे सुधाम इमाम। वर्ड मीनिंग ततः thereafter गृहीत्वा taking possession of amritabhajanam, the pot containing the nectar, Harihi, the supreme personality of Godhead, Hari in the form of Mohini. Babhasa spoke, Isat slightly, Smita Sobhaya Gira with smiling beauty and by words. Yadi if Abhyupetam promised to be accepted. Kocha whether it may be. Sadhu asadhuva whether honest or dishonest. Kritam maya is done by me, baha unto you. Vibhaje I shall give you the proper share. Sudham nectar. Imam this. Translation and purport by Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. Thereafter, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, having taken possession of the container of nectar, smiled slightly and spoke in attractive words. She said, "My dear demons, if you accept whatever I may do, whether honest or dishonest, then I can take responsibility for dividing the nectar among you." Please repeat. Thereafter, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, having taken possession of the container of nectar, smiled slightly and spoke in attractive words. She said, "My dear demons, if you accept whatever I may do, whether honest or dishonest, then I can take responsibility for dividing the nectar among you." Purport: the Supreme Personality of Godhead cannot abide by anyone's dictation. Whatever he does is absolute. The demons, of course, were deluded by the illusory potency of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and thus Mohini Murti got them to promise that whatever she would do, they would accept. Om Ajnanatimiraandhasya Jnananjana Shailakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Sopadantikam Vande Aham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Visakha Nitanscha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine Namo Mahabadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratise Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Bhevacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Tato gruhityamrita bhajanam hari babhasa isatsmita subhaya gira jadi abhyupetam kocha sadhu asadhu va kritam maya bho vibhaje sudham imam. Thereafter the Supreme Personality of Godhead, having taken possession of the container of nectar, smiled slightly and spoke in attractive words. She said, "My dear demons, if you accept whatever I may do, whether honest or dishonest, then I can take responsibility for dividing the nectar among you." So whenever the Lord incarnate in this material world, what is his purpose? For what purpose the Lord incarnate?